Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the steamer one basically broke off and it broke inside the steamer one assembly, so we had to replace both. We had to replace these as well as the steam one assembly. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine and then we're gonna use the steamer one. Hot water. Coffee coming out great, really good color. Oh, need some water. The water was working perfectly fine. Really nice clean water and excellent temperature. And now for the steamer. It's gonna take a little bit to build up some pressure, but we're gonna be able to test it out. Building out a little bit more pressure in there. And now the way it should be. As you can see, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the Magnifica is working once again. And steamer replaced. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.